All right, but the court will preview each one of the outtakes that are to be used.
And it seems to me that in order for this jury to restore their credibility, and the counsel certainly at least, we need to limit our argument.
But to impose a time limit in a case that has already gone this long with this much evidence produces an unfair burden only to the people. This is a motion that is punitive really only to the people. The defense can get up, raise questions, confuse evidence, misstate testimony that quick. And in a case of this complexity, it's easy to do. Would it be proper, based on a supposition, to go and make notification to next of kin?
When you ruled this morning, you didn't see us crying. We just moved on to the next issue. We don't do that. That's what a professional does. You move forward.
Most of the time.
Well, sometimes. Well, one time we did cry, Your Honor. I have to admit, there was one ruling that made us cry a little bit. But short of that, you have to admit, throughout this whole trial, we have usually moved forward in the water like a shark, and that's what we want to do.
That's a bad analogy.
Well, not a good analogy. No, shark's probably not a good analogy. We moved forward in the water like a dolphin. Graceful, I hope, if that's better. But and leave and go to give a notification. Is that what you said to this jury?
Yes.
And she hasn't seen Passion yet. I told them once before, they're in the fight for their lives, and now they understand that. And we're going to argue in that same vein next week. Doesn't matter whether I argue one day or 1 week. They'll understand how we feel about this man's innocence. So it's not about time. I'm just asking you to step up, give us some rules, we'll abide by them. That's all. 2:30, and the arrival of Lang and Van Adder, let's say between 4 and 4:30. You aware of that?
That's my understanding.